How to fix your Windows Update stock at 0%. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix such issue where your Windows Update is being randomly stocked at 0% or any other random percentage like 88%, 78%, 99%. So first thing what you need to do is just click on this search bar and just type in for troubleshoot settings. So just open the troubleshoot settings just like this. Once you open the troubleshoot settings, now simply click on this other troubleshooter option, and you can see there is an option called Windows Update. So just run it and make sure you wait for a few seconds to so that Windows can automatically fix your issue regarding your Windows Update if there's any. So if that doesn't work for you, so in that case another thing what you can do is just hit the Windows plus R combination on your keyboard and just search in for services.msc as shown on my screen over here, and simply click on OK. So which will take you to this page. Now simply search in for or locate the Windows Update section. So as you can see, I have located the Windows Update. So now just right click on that particular option and click on Properties. And now all you have to do is just make sure you have set it to automatic and click on Apply and click on OK. And just like that, your issue should be fixed once you restart your computer. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.